Hello everyone, very good evening. This is Himanshu Singh. So we are back again with the topic of software product development. Now we are going to start a series of software product development because it is a very very interesting topic in today's IT or non-IT culture. The people or the person who are working on software as an overall industry like software product development is really very crucial entity, we can say. So now why this is really important, when it comes to software product development, because when user says he or she wants a product and your team is working into it, okay, so you need to manage the whole cycle in a very enclosed loop manner, okay, so that things are moving in a very positive and unstoppable direction. So we are going to define a few of the key features of this software product development, like what happens for developers. Let me take into consideration for developers first. The rate of work could vary over time. There could be huge difference between the productivity of one developer and another developer, or talking about the client's perspective, client's requirement can change over time, so they are not rigid or they are not fixed up to one requirement. As you are moving towards the uh, production unit, you can see you might face, your clients are changing their requirements over the time. So how to adapt such variation? This is one of the very key questions. Now how you are going to adapt these variations? So this is how the software product development comes into the picture. Now yeah, so we are going to discuss about the key features which we did, and then why Agile and Agile Manifesto. These two things, Agile and Agile Manifesto, we are going to deal with this later on. But let me tell you one thing: in software product development, we need to deliver a right product to the client. Now the question comes: what is the right product development? That is also we are going to see. So key features in software product development. The first one is the changing requirement of clients, developers rate of work, productivity, right product and manage right. Okay, now what is right product? Right product is actually the product which client wants, and manage right is something which will be defined by the software product development framework or the principle, what you say. Now why Agile? You might have heard about Agile. Agile is a framework which is very much popular in today's industry. Like, it came in a decade back in the scene, and Agile has a very good, appealing, what I can say, frameworks which really supports your productivity, which supports your, what I can say, your iteration skill of being a productive in a manner so that everything is on track. Yeah, so SPD, if we are practicing Agile, no doubt we are going to deliver quality SPD, that is software product development. Now schedule, budget and user requirements are always the benchmark. Everything moves around these entities: either it's schedule, either is budget, either is user requirement. You cannot move from these three entities, that is schedule, budgets and user requirement, and more we are going to discuss about it. Talking about developers, developers has come to the Agile, you can see that developers are easy and flexible for attaining their deadlines, they're attaining their goals, attaining their milestones, what you say. And talking about Agile, Agile is basically designed with the help of Agile Manifesto, where you have 4 core values and you have 12 principles. And we are going to make a separate video on Agile Manifesto because it's really important for IT professionals and the people who are working as in IT industry as a project manager or SPD. Either they are managing the SPD, that is software product development, and any of the professionals who are associated with IT industry, this is going to be a very key thing for them. So yeah, talking very shortly about Agile Manifesto, what it is. Agile Manifesto focus on individuals and interaction over the process and tools. We are going to discuss all these things later on. Okay, let me give a brief introduction about what is Agile Manifesto. So basically, yeah, we in Agile Manifesto we focus on individual interaction over the process and tools. We focus on working software as compared to that of your comprehensive documentation. We will focus on customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Now let me give some few of the examples. Now what is the individuals and interactions? Now what happens is, let me say you have planned to do a meeting, okay, and where you are relying on process and tools. However, your meeting is totally dependent on the individuals and interactions, because that is the key when it comes to Agile. Coming to the second one of working software, documentation is okay, documentation is necessary, no doubt, we cannot deny documentation entities and stuffs, but yeah, working software is really a very important key, because when you have something with something to show, something to prove, something that is that you can execute in real environment, so that is really important thing. Coming to customer collaborations, now what happened is, when we are making product for customers, okay, if we are not that much interactive with our customer, that doesn't mean we are, that you have a very less probable chance to make a product or make a entity which is very much close to customers or users requirement. Now change, this is one of the major what I can say, major hurdle in today's environment, because customer is very much changing throughout your development. So you have to respond to you have to respond to that change, rather than following a plan. A plan can fail, but your response towards change will never fail, and you always have to be responsive and proactive when it comes to project management part. So yeah, this was a very short video. This was an introduction about software product development and little bit about Agile. And later on we are going to discuss more about Agile Manifesto, Agile principles, how actually these core values and manifesto are playing a major role in today's environment, today's industry. So this is Himanshu Singh signing off for now, and I hope you all are fine. You will be taking care of yourself. See you in the next video. Take care. Yeah.